Welcome back. Literally just got home from work like 5 minutes ago. Couldn't wait to ride. Just think about it all day. But yeah, just riding the KLX again. So far, I've been riding this thing pretty close to every day, and I like it more and more every time. Woods riding. Woo! Squirrely. Yeah, but the suspension on here, pretty damn good. I mean, I'm not too heavy. I'm only like 140 pounds, but it soaks up the bumps pretty well. Yeah, later in the week, got a friend coming on Wednesday, so today is Monday, so 2 days from now, we're gonna make a pit bike track back here in the woods. Cause I should have the SSR back up and running. My friend's actually bringing up the parts for me because they're actually at my parents' house. I just ordered them there along with all my other parts. But yeah, I'm gonna make it back here somewhere. Oh, that was a bump. I didn't see that one. I'll show you what I'm thinking on doing, just a little bit of it. I still gotta plan most of it out, but I found at least where the start of it's gonna be. It's right here. I think I'm gonna turn this, probably hard to tell with this GoPro lens, but I'll just run through it actually. I'm not gonna even get off. So it's gonna start over here. I think this is gonna be where it loops back in. Whew. I gotta clear all these logs though. Ooh. Yeah, I gotta get a path going because it's like even hard to tell. Okay, right here. So you're gonna come through here faster, obviously, but then it's gonna be like a tabletop right in here, and then it's gonna go through here a little bit. I think hook a left right here. And then, as you can tell, there's a lot of trees down right now, but we're gonna have to cut them up. But it will be basically through here, all this area. But yeah, that's gonna be on Wednesday, so I should have the video up by next week. Oh, that was a spider. Oh, get it out of here! That was a big spider. It's hanging from a tree. It's a big black one. Oh, I feel the web on me still. I'm tweaking out. Get over it. Okay. Hopefully he's not like crawling on my back or something. Was a little better. Whew. Oh, that was terrible. Yeah, but I'm trying to get the shirts in order. Just working out some details like where I'm gonna sell them and stuff like that. I'm thinking probably like eBay or something, because otherwise I don't really know what other site I could use to sell them. If you guys know of anything that is for something like that, or like for selling shirts or clothing, let me know in the comments, because that would help speed things up. But for now, I think it's going to be eBay or something like that. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Probably on Thursday, maybe not. I don't know if I have anything to record this week or not, but I will try. If something comes up, it will definitely be there. So, peace out. Thanks for watching as always. And I will catch you guys later. I just keep repeating myself. Follow me on Instagram. Just coast it in. Just coast it in. Just coast it in. Stop.